In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Brother MFC-J4335DW to your Mac computer. I will also show you how to print using Wi-Fi and also how to scan documents with this printer and get the results directly on your Mac. So let's start right away. The first step is to actually connect your printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your Mac computer. So let's go on the control panel over here and I'll show you how to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi. If you're not on the home screen, press the stop exit button and you will exit if you were in a menu. Next, you're going to press the down arrow. It says Wi-Fi over here, so we'll go directly in the Wi-Fi settings. Select Find Wi-Fi Network. It should be one of the first options. Press OK. Then select the right side arrow and wait. It will find all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around the printer. Next step is to use the up and down arrow so you can search for your Wi-Fi network. Once it's highlighted in blue, press the OK button. Now it's time to type the password. You can also use the number pad on the right side in case your password has numbers. If not, well, you'll have to use the arrows and the OK button to type it. Press OK once you are ready. You're going to get WLAN connection successful. On your Mac computer, what you need to do, let me close this, is to go on the top left corner and select the Apple logo. Then select System Settings. From here on the left side menu, you need to go down until you select Printers and Scanners. Then on the right side, select Add Printer Scanner or Fax. You may have to enter the username of the administrator of your Mac and the password if you're not logged in on the main account. Then select your Brother MFC-J4335DW in blue. Select Add and wait. The printer will be added to your computer. If you do not need the fax machine, click on Not Now. Now let me show you how to print. Everything can be done in just a few seconds. Open any documents you wish to print. Let's say I want to print the first page of this PDF document. I'll open the document, could be a picture as well. Select File, Print. Make sure that under printer, the right printer is selected, MFC-J4335DW, and then press print. In my case, I just want the first page, so I'll select range 1 to 1. This printer is able to print quite fast. Here we go, we got our results. Let me show you how to use the scanner. So we have two different scanners. One scanner glass over here, and on the top a top document feeder that is able to scan multiple pages at the same time. To input your pages on the top, make sure they're all aligned. Place it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left, and we're going to guide these pages under these two plastic tabs until you hear a beep. Just like that. Make sure to extend this paper output. Now, if you want to use the scanner glass, let me remove these from here. You're going to place your paper facing down as well, with the top part towards the left. And you may notice there is an arrow here. It simply means that the corner of the paper needs to touch the corner with an arrow. This is how you know that the paper is properly aligned. Close the lid. You do not need to install any software on your Mac to make this work. Simply go back in this menu where the printer has been added, click on it, select Open Scanner, click on your printer on the left side of this list, Brother MFC-J433. It will give you a preview over there. This is not a preview that is saved on your computer. We have a few different options here. So you can select scan mode where you have put your document. Is it on the flatbed as I did, or the top document feeder? You can select if you want the scan to be in color or black and white. Resolution, it depends how much details your scan has. So if you're scanning a picture or an artwork, you can select a higher number. It will take more time to scan, but the details will be more present, so you'll have more details. Finally, you can select the size of the paper you're scanning, the document or folder you want the scan to go in on your Mac. You can rename this scan to anything, whatever. You can select which format you want the scan to be in, and at the end press scan. If you have selected 200 dpi, the scan should take around 12 seconds to complete. Here we go. It's right over here on my desktop. If you want to scan multiple pages and combine them in one single PDF document, under Format here, select PDF and make sure that Combine into Single Document is checked. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment and comment. Check my Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to get some ink or some paper for your printer, or even a brand new printer. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.